Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Isati binti Rahman and my partner Nur Ain Shafika binti Mak Yaakob. So today we are going to talk about nature and the focus topic is about the ways to conserve nature. Do you know what nature? Nature means the phenomena of the earth collectively including plants, animals, the landscape and the other features and product of the earth. Nature is the part of our life. It is up to us to make sure the environment's clean and safe for our generation. I want you guys to imagine world without nature, without tree, without green grass, animals, what and everything what have nature be? What will the meaning of life be? Nature is very important for humans to survive and thrive. Was provided by natural world around us. For instance, water, medicine, material, shelter, and even natural cycles such as climates and nutrients. This is what will happen to the earth if we not conserve nature well. The destroy of the forest, sea pollution, air pollution, and everything bad thing about the rubbish will be impact to our earth. How we as human beings to conserve nature? So the first point is we can use reduce, reuse and recycle, which is 3R. Reduce means to bring down the size, quantity, quality, value and everything of something. Reduce means the act of taking all items that might considered throwing away and finding a new use for them. And recycle means capturing materials that will otherwise go to waste in order to save natural resource and the energy. We can make our step by recycling our rubbish and participate in or help organize recycling campaigns. By doing this, it helps to encourage and make people around us to alert about nature and their attitude toward nature. Another way to conserve nature we can make a step on by saving energy and money. Without us realizing, doing this step also can conserve our nature. We can save energy and money by use the public transport or share a journey with friends and use less water and electric. For the next point, I would like my partner, Nur Ain, to give a talk.
The ways to conserve nature is volunteer. As a volunteer, we can create awareness like take part in reforestation efforts and help spread awareness about the importance of our natural resources. For example, we can do tree planting. We can cooperate with community to do tree planting because as we know, trees give off oxygen that we need to breathe. Trees also improve our air quality by filtering harmful dust and pollutants such as ozone, carbon monoxide, and sulfur dioxide from the air we breathe. In this case, as a volunteer, we can spread awareness about how important of the natural resources in our environment. After that, we also can protect things and having maintenance. In a natural park which also tends to attract many tourists on a yearly basis, it can make the environment of the park is run. Through volunteer, we can help take care of this place and work together with other volunteers to protect our precious environment and wildlife. For example, maintaining trails park in the park. In conclusion, there are many ways to conserve our nature like use, reduce, reuse and recycle or 3R such as reduce your use of disposable shopping bags by using a reusable bag or container when shopping. Besides, we can take part as a volunteer in any campaign like Go Green campaign to raising public awareness of the environment. Last but not least, I hope that everyone have good take care and manage our resource so that the future generation also can use the resource as today. The conservation volunteers are the unsung heroes of the environment. No one will protect what they do not first care about, and no one will care